Hi, Sean Huxter here. Welcome to Magical Little Worlds with me. Now you know we're about to have some fun if you see my best friend, the aluminum tray, and some water, right? So what are we doing tonight? Well, I did find one more of these. The Mr. Beast Lab Swarms. It's a 12-pack, 12 Micro Beasts inside, and it is the Mega Lab Pack, and I believe it is in the Atomic series. So this is one of these sets where you get some visibles. So we have this little gold character here. You've got this little, what looks like a crabby kind of character here. Then down here you've got this, I'm not quite sure if that's supposed to be a phone. We'll find out. There's a stop sign. I've seen that one before. There's a translucent dinosaur. Seen him before as well. But I've not seen this crabby guy, or this one here. I don't know what they are yet. But also you get two test tubes, each of which has two characters inside. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for the 12 Micro Beasts inside. On the back, it just shows experiment to create your swarms, mix, shake, create. And I object to this. We're not creating anything. We're revealing it. Yes, we're not creating it. But I guess the illusion is you're making it inside this test tube. Let's break it open and find out. So first we have these two guys. Let's pop these out. Oh, they're in a shell as well, so they're double backed. Let's pop the shell out and reveal packaging. Our characters. We've got this gold guy. Now we will go through the guy. It looks like a bunch of dollar bills or money. And then this, definitely a pink kind of crabby kind of beast or panther. Let's find out later as we look through the guide. But for now, let's just pop these down and look at this group. Now this group is 6 characters, so that'd be 8 in total. 6 characters. Again, push him out. Yeah, I'm going to say that's a phone. Definitely that's a phone. Cool, like it. And I'm going to say this, I already know, is an angry stop sign. I love it. I love the fact that he's like holding his hands out to the side saying, calm down, everybody, and that's a whistle in his mouth. I really like that. So, next one. I got to tell you, I love my blue translucent figures. I did a review a while ago of Treasure X's snow tower, ice tower, and it contained 2 translucent blue figures, and then I got some more in other kits. Love my translucent blue figures. It's like my favorites. And we'll put him here. Then we've got this guy. This definitely looks like a variant on this one. Clearly they are the same sculpt, just different coloration. Again, I will find out what they all are, and we will reveal them in the end. And we have this little guy here. He is I love the rubberiness of these characters. He also seems to be half crab and maybe half something else. Not quite sure what that something else is right now. It looks like shark. Maybe that's a shark fin. I'm not entirely sure, but we will find out. I keep saying we'll find out. I'm not lying. We will. And then the last one in the visibles is this little guy here. Now, I'm going to go out on a limb and say that's like maybe a beaver or something. I don't know if this is supposed to be, I don't know what that is. Maybe a beaver, maybe a rat, or some kind of rodent anyway. That's definitely rodent teeth, is it not? Plus also metallics, so he's definitely a robotic version of something. Again, we will find out. Now, here's where the fun comes in. We've got these two tubes. Two tubes? We got these 2 tubes. And one thing we definitely know we're going to need is some of our friends a paper towel. I have shaken these in the past and found that they are not leak proof. So what you do is first of all, let's look at the guide, shall we? And see which ones we have. Because they're going to be revealed inside. Open it up. And all sorts of stuff. We don't need to worry about that. What we're looking for is what characters we have. And so we're going to find out. Right now we know we got Raging Stop Sign. Here. So we got Raging Stop Sign. Let's see what else do we have. Do we have any of these? Nope. Have any of these? Let's just whip through them. We have Screen Shock right here. We have the Great Fright Shark. So yeah, I knew this was a shark. That's this little guy right here. We have Bunnybot. So it's definitely a bunny. I knew it was a rodent of some kind. Definitely a bunny. His friend is up here, but we've got this color version. And though it was kind of hard to pull out of the image, we definitely have Steel Jaw Iguana right here in translucent blue, which again, I love. We have Pincer Panther. Pincer Panther Soldier Spy. Very strangely colored. The last two are in the special edition Beast Icons section, and these are the ones that are up in the top corner. So we have Crab Cat here, special edition, and Mad Money. Because he's angry, you see. And now the fun begins. So now we take one of the tubes, let's put this one over here, and we open it up and we run the experiments. The first thing you do is you unscrew the tube, and you have to oh, there's a little instruction in here, by the way, read me first, we've seen that. Let's walk through it, why not? It simply says, gotta get it open. Pop the cap, pour water in, shake for 15 seconds. I'm sorry, let it sit for 15 seconds with the cap open for it to fizz, and then shake it for 30 seconds, and then pour it out, and then reveal your beasts. Or as they want you to say, create your beasts. But we're not creating anything. We're just revealing something. So let's get this open. And we peel this off the top. Yeah, doesn't always peel nicely, but there's another side. Look, we get a second shot at it. Let's see, how does this work? Is this one gonna do it for me? No. So that means we take our knife and we just do the job for it. And we finally got it all off. Pop the cap back on. And this is, by the way, I've had some trouble with these leaking when we shake. So let us make sure we have our friends the paper towels handy, because we're going to wrap it in paper towel before we're shaking it. That way we prevent all of the spillage and spatter that used to happen, which is why I have some of these guys, this aluminum tray. But even then, I kind of stained my table. So we're not doing that tonight. But are you ready? I'm going to zoom in because this is going to fizz. If it's working right, it's going to fizz. Let's go. We're supposed to hold it for 15 seconds. This is not fizzing like previous ones that I've had. I've had them come fizzing right out the top. Oh well, let's wait 15 seconds. Has it been 15 seconds yet? No, be patient. Okay, I'm going to call that 15 seconds. Cap it off. I'm going to cover it in paper towel. I'm going to shake for 30 seconds. And now we pop the cap and pour out the liquid. And now we close the cap because it's easier to unscrew it. And I'm going to unscrew the thing and I'm going to dump my characters. But guess what? I am not going to stop right there. We're not going to stop and reveal these. We're going to take the second tube, run the second experiment, and then we'll take all 4 out. So let's see if this one fizzes properly. Oh, see, that's much nicer, much better. Oh, absolutely, that is much better. So we will let that sit for 15 seconds. Has it been 15 seconds yet? No. How about now? No. Now? Yeah, okay, it's been 15 seconds. Let's put the paper towel on. And we shake this thing for all it's worth. I think my little beasts are a bit afraid of what's about to happen. So we take it and pop the cap. Pour out the liquid. Put the cap back on. Unscrew and dump. And you didn't see which ones they're going to be. And so, now we find out. They've made us some room. Let's find out which ones we've got. I'm going to have some paper towel nearby just to clean them off if necessary. Let's go for number 1. Ooh. Here we have, wow, I'm not quite sure what we have. It almost looks like a, is that a nuclear cloud? Is that supposed to be a nuclear cloud? Well, we're going to find out. Let's put him here. Oh, sorry, let's put him where you guys can see him. We'll put him here. Going in for the second one. This is gooey. Oh, okay. Let's see which one we got now. We have, oh, it's got some goo on there. Is that another nuclear cloud? Like, that's a gas masked creature, and that's like a nuclear tower from a nuclear plant with the nuclear symbol on it, and it's like about to blow. It seems like we have a theme going. Let's find out what the third one is. Oh, not going to show it. The third one is, it looks like a little grenade. a little grenade mole maybe, or some sort of creature as a grenade, because that definitely looks like a grenade. And we'll place them here. I mean, explosions and nuclear power, seems like we have a theme going. Let's make room for one more. And this will be the last one. And I'm not going to show it quite yet. We have a mailbox. All right, now we were going to get the guide out and find out what those are. We have Manic Mailbox, Kaboom Cloud. So I'm definitely right. That was like an explosive cloud. We have Gassy Turtle, gas mask turtle, I guess, with a shell that is a nuclear tower, nuclear cooling tower. And last, and I think definitely least, Skunk Bomb. And so, for Sean Huckster, this has been Magical Little Worlds. Say hello to all of our new friends, and we'll see you soon. Bye.